We're back in the garage. It was a fairly long test drive. The fan came on, we warmed up perfectly nicely, and it seemed to stop pretty good. There was no issues, and there is no sign of any kind of problem or leak down in here. So there's nothing here. That's good. So we have a couple issues for sorting for the new season. This latch let go, and so we were running with just this guy holding the clam down for a while. The drum skin on this side is rubbing again at the top here where the caliper is, which is, thought I fixed that. I think the timing is going to need to be retarded a little bit around 2000 RPM at full bore, because I thought I heard a little pinging there when I had it down with the hammer down, and I was lugging it, and it sounded like it pinged a couple times. So I'm going to back it off 1 or 2 degrees, like at 1500, and smooth it out. Every place else it seems to be good. And that's that. It's coming along. Everything seems to be pretty good. I don't see any oil leaking down in here. We'll clean it up and double check just to make sure. And then we'll move on. Hopefully somebody will want it.